Greeting Professor and everyone. My name is Tharipat Kongsaengthong. Welcome to my presentation. Today I will present my project about battery electric vehicle or BEV. This is very interesting topic for the combustion and emission control class. In our world, today air pollution is a big problem. Many cities have bad air because of car. So I will talk about how a car with no engine can help us control pollution. Let's start. First, what is a BEV? A battery electric vehicle is a car that uses only electricity. It is very different from the car we use every day. It does not have a normal combustion engine. You will not find any fuel tank inside. Instead, it uses a big battery and electric motor. Because it uses electricity, you must charge it from an outside power source, just like charging your smartphone. The main part of this car are the battery pack, the electric motor, the inverter, and no charging and the charging system. These parts work together to move the car quickly. Next, how is this related to combustion? In our class, we learn about burning. No car or ICE car must burn fuel inside the engine to make power, but the burning away make propulsion. It is impossible to burn fossil fuel without smoke, but BEV are different. BEV do not burn any fuel inside the car. The main power comes directly from the electric in the battery. The electric gives power to the electric motor and the motor turns the wheel. If you look at the chart, you can see the BEV have no emission from the vehicle. There is zero burning process inside the car. Now let's compare the propulsion from ICE or internal combustion engine and BEV. Normal car make many bad gas. For example, they make CO2 which cause global warming. They also make CO2, HC, and NOx, which are very bad for our health. BEV are much cleaner on the road. On the road, sorry. Uh, they have zero tailpipe emission. This means when you drive a BEV, no bad smoke come out of the bank of the sorry of the back. However, we must be honest. Making the electricity at the power plant can still make propulsion. Look at the table below. Normal car need very complex system to clean the smoke, but BEV do not need a tailpipe treatment because there is no smoke to clean. Why do BEV reduce overall pollution? The main reasons are simple. First, there is no burning in the car. Second, the electric motor works very efficiently. Another great technology is regenerative braking. This is very cool. When you drive a normal car and step on the brake, the energy is stored and heat. But in the BEV, when you step on the brake, the motor becomes a generate. It takes the moving energy and charge it back to electricity to save power in the battery for your use later. This makes BEV very good for city driving where you have to stop and red light all the time. Now we come to very important insight for our class, the emission control. Will for normal car, engineer must put many complex parts like DPF or SCR under the car to clean the smoke. This hard and expensive, but the BEV idea is totally different. The concept is to remove the burning part from the car completely. Instead of controlling propulsion on millions of small cars on the road, we shift or move the propulsion to the power plant. Think about it. It's very easier to put a GaN to filter on one big power plant than to put small filter on 1 million car. This is very small way to manage emission. However, BEV are not perfect. They still have some environmental challenges. The biggest problem is where the electricity comes from. If the power plant burns coal, the BEV still have big carbon footprints also. Making the large battery makes propulsion. There are also challenges with driving distance and finding charging stations. And remember, try and brake still make small dots, but here's look at the chart on the screen. Even when we include the propulsion for making the battery, the blue part, and making the vehicle switch to EV still reduce greenhouse gas by 52% is very big improvement. In conclusion, BEV use sorry, not fuel. In conclusion, BEV use electricity, not fuel combustion. They have completely zero tailpipe emission. This is highly for relevant to our course because it represents a future where we remove combustion from daily transportation. As the picture shows, a car total emission come from three steps: making electricity, charging, and driving. So please remember my final message. BEV have zero tailpipe emission, but they do not have zero total emission. To make BEV 100% clean, our world must start to use clean energy like solar or wind power to make electricity. There are my reference. I use data from US Department of Energy and EPA support this presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention.